Tonight we are going to be expanding upon our shoulder mobility exercises with kettlebells with the ribbon exercise. Very similar to the kettlebell halo, the ribbon is going to be doing this excursion around our head. The only difference now here, similar to the ribbon signs you see for like awareness, is we're gonna have this arc which goes from one hip up and around our head to the other hip. So essentially we're going from pocket to pocket, back and forth as we go through this. So this is a challenging movement for not only mobility, but also the stabilization of the shoulder to go through, various ranges of motion, but also core. As we're shifting that center of mass side to side from going from one side to the other, your core is having to help you stabilize as you accomplish this motion as well. So what this looks like, kettlebell is going to be upside down, grabbing by the horns. Place it on one pocket. You're going to come up across, behind your head, and then back around. Reverse engineered, up across, behind your head, and then around. Okay? So this is that ribbon motion. We're just going to take it back and forth. I tend to use these for myself and program them. Obviously, it's an accessory motion, but I like doing them before my upper body workouts to get my shoulders fired up, ready to go. So rotator cuff and all the muscles are working well, core is ready to go. But it also starts to help me open up my mobility before whatever workout I'm doing. Now again, what I'm thinking about on this one is trying to get it back down around my head more. I'm going to show you from a backside view here to challenge my mobility a little bit more, which is slightly different from the halo. I tend to keep the halo a little bit higher. This one I try to get down behind my back more to challenge that shoulder mobility from this position to improve my range of motion for warm-up or to just work on my mobility and expanding that in general.